Thank you, Sir Shing, for that introduction. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Elke Kyle Kadamen of Zero Waste Baguio and also co-founder of Tingi Station. So, today I'm wearing two hats. No? I represent Zero Waste Baguio and also share our initiatives sa Tingi Station. Ayan. Nantay ko lang yung slides. Anyway, while waiting, I think while preparing for the slides, introduce ko na si Zero Waste Baguio. Zero Waste Baguio is actually a non-government organization here in Baguio that is advocating for zero waste lifestyle, ecological solid waste management, and also climate action. So we've been working closely with different sectors, the LGU, barangays, and also businesses on how to come up with solutions in this global problem we're facing right now when it comes sa basura, waste, and also sa ating nagbabagong klima, sa climate change.